Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, creArtive by Nature. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, and I found some fun fall finds along with some other DIY and decor stuff. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm just going to share with you just some basic supplies that I got, and then I will show you my fall items that I found. I'm so excited about those. I love fall. So first up, I got these wood crates. There was just one of each, and I'm gonna put these aside for Christmas time, or I might do one up for fall. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm all gonna be doing. It's been a little slow going for me here at home. I've been so busy tending to the garden and just doing stuff with family and trying to get some deep cleaning done around the home. So all before the kids go back to school, if they will, I'm not sure yet. Anyway, so I got 6 of these little wood boxes. They are the little storage drawers, and yeah, total of 6. Anyways, I have been seeing so many other YouTubers creating some really cool stuff with these. So I have been putting it off. I'm finally gonna go for it. I don't know when I'll do this project. It might not be until the new year. I'm thinking, you know, storage, getting organized for the new year. So we'll see. And then I also got, I love their glass. I absolutely love it. I got this. It's a round jar with a lid, and it's really tight fitting lid. Man, I can't even get it. There we go. So this would make like a cute storage jar, but I'm actually going to do a fall project with this. And then another item I've been holding off are these floor mats. I got 2. I thought this green was so pretty. I am really into green. So I got the 2 of those. I am going to be doing a DIY with those. So I was really amazed. My store had these, and it says home. Yeah, I was shocked because my store is typically kind of slow on the trendy things that are out there. So I just grabbed this one. They did have the other ones, but this one was the one that grabbed my attention the most. And then my store had a really great selection of succulents, and you know me and succulents if you've been following me for a while. So I loved these ones. I hadn't seen these ones before, so thought these were so cool. Okay, and then just to add to my stash, I got another package of the dry floral foam. I use a lot of this for my fall projects as well as Christmas, and I didn't have these smaller blocks left because I've used it in a lot of different projects. So I got one of those. And then I actually had gone to 2 separate stores. There was the one that I typically go to, which is in the city about 15 minutes from me. And then I went to another one that I don't usually go to. And it's a smaller store, but they always have such trendy things there. So they had these. I have hauled these at my one store before, but they were all gone. And I decided I wanted more. So that smaller store in the other city had some. So I grabbed another 2. So I have a total of 3. Again, for DIYs. And that particular store, the smaller one in the other city that I don't usually go to, they had these. They only had the 3 sizes left, which I was fine with. I'm gonna put these aside and use them at Christmas time. Thought these were pretty cool. And then this is something my daughter grabbed. Once in a while we'll go out and about, and then we'll just grab a selection of different things to put aside for gifts. And she found these candle making kits. So there is lavender and apricot citrus and apple cinnamon, magnolia, Asian lily. I thought these were just such cool little gifts for somebody. So yeah, $1.25 for one of these, which is the price we pay here in Canada. I would love for you to come and visit me over on my new channel, creArtive by Nature, Art and Life, where I share everything artsy, craft hauls, and things life related. Link is in the description box below. Okay, now on to the stuff that I found in the fall decor and crafting. So first up are these mini battery operated lights. They've got pumpkins and the leaves. I've gotten the leaves before and I love to just put them in a vase and that's it with these. It's really, really pretty. But I thought these pumpkins were kind of cool. So I'm gonna see if maybe I could do something really neat with these. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna play around. I got 2 packages to play around with. And then I got these burlap leaves in the natural and this darker brown. They had other colors. I would have grabbed some if there were like a mustard yellow. I love that color, but they didn't have that. So, and this is something else I always like to grab. They typically only have them at the fall or with like the Halloween stuff. So they're these mini lanterns. They are the LEDs. These are great. I love to use these at Christmas time, but I think I might try something out using these for fall. Yeah, we'll see. I've got a few ideas. I grabbed 2 to play, one to play around with and experiment with, and then of course I always buy an extra, or I try to, in case my project works, and then I can share it with you. And I love Dollar Tree's pumpkins, but the 2 stores didn't have a whole lot, and truth be told, I have a lot in my stash. So I just grabbed 2. I have some of these already, but I think the coloring was a little bit different on the ones that I have in my stash. And then I found this. I love the leaf on it. So yeah, just the 2. And I thought these would be cute. I like to get stuff this time of year, like when they have all their fall stuff for Christmas, because I find that a lot of it's that woodland and nature look, and of course I love that for Christmas. So I grabbed these. They are felt kits. They've got the hedgehog, and there's 6 pieces in each, and fox, so cute. And then the little owls. And they had another one. I can't remember what it was now. But anyways, I thought I'm going to tuck those aside for Christmas time. Yeah, so be on the lookout for that. And then the store that I don't typically go to, they had these wall clings. I absolutely love this one. So I'm definitely going to be doing a DIY with that. And then they had this. I love this jar, so I'm probably going to do something with that, but I think the others, I'll probably let my daughter put those in her front window. She likes to use window clings in her window. And then I got some confetti, metallic confetti. This is the large like table scatter. The one package has got pumpkins and oak leaves, as well as maple leaves. And this one's got pumpkins, acorns, and the smaller maple leaves. So I thought that would be fun to use, say for dinner, or even like I like to do paper crafting, and these would be really cool to do like some like shaker cards and stuff like that. So, and then I grabbed these. I love these. I thought they were so pretty. I'm going to see if I can get rid of the glitter. I'm not sure. I might leave it, or I might just go over it and mask off the glitter, so then it kind of mutes it. I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to do much to these. I like them the way they are. I love this green color. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I don't know. They're just so pretty. So, and then I found this sign. I love this. I'm gonna play around with this one. I'm not gonna actually like necessarily alter it too much, but I'm gonna do some things to this just to, you know, bring it up to the next level. So, love this. I love the neutral colors and yeah, so pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, and this isn't for me, I bought this for a friend who is a lover, a big lover of red trucks. And she was on the lookout for this, and I had no idea that she was. I just saw it and I thought of her. I said, look what I got you. And she's like, oh, I've been looking for this everywhere. So yes, this was not at my typical store. This is at that one that I went to, and I was in shock that it was there. Like I said, they've been blowing me away in that store. So much smaller than the one I usually go to, and this is the kind of stuff they've been getting in. Amazing. So share. I got it for you. So I want to thank you all so much for being here. It was a lot of fun to go looking for some fall stuff, and I hope you enjoyed what I shared. So stay tuned for all the projects I have coming up. I'm going to get back into the swing of things. And yeah, so I hope you're all doing well, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Take care. Bye.